everyone's favourite sticky toffee pudding, ice cream and toffee sauce. So get your dates, your water and your bicarb into a pan and just simmer it gently. And into a separate pan you need to get your sugar, your butter, and some people use black treacle. I'm using golden syrup, so get that all in and then get beating it. So add your 2 eggs, one at a time, and mix them in really well. When you've done that, add your flour and then add your date mix. Once it's simmered for about 5 minutes, take it off the heat and just blitz it up and make sure there's no stones in it, and then add that to your egg and sugar mixture. And then in a deep pan tray, once you've mixed that all thoroughly, just plop it all in your, we've used greaseproof paper to line the tray, and just place that in the oven. While that's in the oven, just get your brown sugar, some butter, some more golden syrup. You can use black treacle or you don't have to use any of it, and stick that on the stove and melt it. Melt it slowly so the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar's dissolved, add your cream, give it a good stir, and then just bring it to a light boil for a couple of minutes, and there you have sticky toffee pudding sauce. Now when you're bubble, toil and trouble, when you take your mixture out, just put a knife in it, and if your knife's still really sticky then you need to put it back in, but if it comes out clean then you know you're good. Just cover it with a towel for 10 or 15 minutes, keeps the moisture in. Prick the top of the sticky toffee and then add your sauce. As you can see from this, I've got sauce on the top of mine. I forgot to film it, which is clever, but just make sure that if the cake is cold or warm, the sauce is hot, or one or the other. If the sauce is, you want the cake warm, you want the sauce hot, pour it on. I've got extra, of course, as you can see. Can't wait to get tucked in. Let's see how the kids like it, shall we? They're nice. Good? Delicious.